Okay, good morning student. Today we are going to revise the next chapter, laser. Okay, what is the laser? Laser is the summarization of your journal entry. Laser is the summarization of your accounts. In this system we are going to take the all transactions related with the single laser or single account. As like that, if cash account we are going to take, we are going to take the all transaction which is done with this cash account on one place. Okay, on one place, that is called laser. Okay beta, for that first we have to know about the pro forma of laser. How we are going to make the laser, that pro forma. Okay beta, just see, two side, one column from amount, JF, then date, save a date, amount, J. Okay beta, these are the pro forma of laser. Then we are going to take the name of account. Maybe we are going to take the cash account, so cash account. Okay beta, it's the date, particular, JF, general folio, amount debit, date, particular, JF, amount credit. This is the pro forma of laser. Okay beta. Now the problem is coming, how we are going to post it. The entry will transfer in laser. That system is called posted. Okay, posting. When we are going to take the entries and transfer in this laser, that system we are going to call what? Laser. Okay. Just see how we are going to transfer the entry in this cash account. First thing, we are going to make the laser of all the account which is coming in journal entry. Okay beta, all the account, as like the cash account, capital account, furniture account, purchase account, sales account, purchase return, sales return, debtor accounts, creditor accounts, rent account, commission account, all the name, all the things, all the account which is coming in your journal. For that we are going to make the different separate laser. Okay beta, so by the cash account we are going to explain the how to make the laser. Okay, this is the pro forma of cash account. Just see the entry. If entry is like that, cash account debit to capital, one entry, rent account debit to cash, second entry, cash account debit, RAM, one more entry is there, then commission account debit to cash. Okay, how we are going to post it? Just see which account you are going to maintain. If that account is debited in the journal, so his opposite account will debit, and if that account is credited in the journal entry, so his opposite account will credit. Okay beta, which account you are going to maintain in the journal? If that account is debited, so its opposite will debited. If that account is credited, its opposite will credit. Okay, as like that, cash here beta, cash debit, its opposite capital debit to capital, and what amount is there, just put here only. Okay beta, next here cash is credit. Okay, it's a credit, which is opposite rent, credit side, by rent amount. Okay, next cash is debit, then opposite RAM, debit to RAM. Next cash credit, opposite commission, by commission amount. Okay, clear? Which account you are going to maintain? If that is debited in journal, opposite debit. If credited in journal, opposite credit. Okay, clear? Just see when combined entry is given. So then what we are doing? As like that, cash account debit discount account debit to Ram, okay, or cash account debit to X and to Y, and Ram account debit to cash to discount, okay. 8,200, 800, 9,000, okay. 2,000, 2,000, 4,000. Make it 3. Okay. Here 7,500, 500, 8,000. Okay. Now we are going to question. Here cash is debited, beta. So we are going to take the opposite. It's opposite this Ram only. Discount is not the opposite. And we are going to take the Ram debit side. And amount we are going to take the which is given on the front of cash. 8,200. Okay, beta? 8,200. Here, cash is debited. Both are the debited. 2x and 2y. 2,000 and 3,000. Okay, on this way. Next, Ram, cash credited, so Ram will credit Ram and take the amount of front of cash 7,500. Okay, beta? Clear? How we are going to posting? Clear or not? Now I am going to balancing. Okay, beta? How we are going to balance this account? Okay? How we are going to balance this account? Okay, beta? Just see the both sides. Which side is more going to take the total of that side? This side is more, beta? 13,200. Just put this amount on this side also. 13,200. Okay. This is the method of balancing. Just take this amount of that side. This amount will more. Take that second side and difference we are going to take. Okay, beta? It's what? By balance CD. Okay? By balance CD. We are going to take the total of bigger side, put on the lesser side, and then take the difference, and that difference is like a by balance CD. If difference is coming debit side, so then 2 balance BD. We are going to put on the 2 balance BD. Okay? And on this way, we are going to make the all account, ledger of the all account for RAM, for capital, for X, for Y, for commission, for rent. Okay? From all these accounts, we are going to take the for making of ledger. Okay? As like a coming capital account, we are going to make the capital account. In that entry, capital credit, then cash, credit, this is the amount, maybe 8,000, put on here 8,000, because only capital one entry is there, 8,000, then 2 balance CD. Okay, beta? On this way we are going to maintain the ledger. Okay? This is the way by which we are going to maintain the ledger. I think clear? Now I am going for the trial balance. What is the trial balance? First, we have to know about the meaning. Trial balance is a system or trial balance is statement by which we are going to know about the arithmetical fault in our accounting. Okay, the statement by which we are knowing the arithmetical fault of in our accounting, that is called trial balance. Okay, the trial balance by which we are going to know about the mathematical or calculation fault or posting fault, these are we are very easily know by the making of trial balance. Okay, now I am going to explain how we are going to make the trial balance. There is three methods. There is the three method to make the trial balance. First, balancing method, second, total method, and third, balancing and total method. Okay beta, first balancing method, second total method, third balancing and total method. In total method, we are going to take the total of laser of both sides. Okay, when we are going to make the account like that, okay, so this side total and this side total, okay, both side total we are going to take. Okay, just first see the formula of the trial balance. Two column, mainly two column for the account, debit and credit, and one is the name of account, debit, credit. Okay, we are putting the name of account in this column, and then if that amount will put on the debit side, the debit side. If amount will put on the credit side, the credit side, and then going to total of the both sides, and both sides coming equal, then your trial balance is okay. Otherwise, some problem is there. For that, we are going to finding the problems. Okay. So first, total method. In the total method, we are going to take the total of both side of laser. Okay, beta. The total of both side of laser. Debit side total, debit side, credit side total, credit side. Okay. And second method, balancing method. In last, we are taking the balance of cash account, beta. So that balance we are going to put. That balance we are going to put on the debit or credit side. And for that we have some rule. For that we have some rule. Just listen very carefully. The rules: debit items, all type of assets, all expense, all type of assets, all expense, purchase, sales return, purchase, sales return, drawing. These balance are going to show on the debit side, okay, and credit side, all liabilities, capital, all income, sales, purchase return. These balance are going to show on the credit side, and then going to take the balance, the total, and the total will come equal. That is okay. Now we are going for the third method. Balance and total method. In this method, we are going to change this line, 4 line for 4 column for the amount, 2 for balancing and 2 for balancing and 2 for totaling. Okay, and then we are going to take the total. Okay, in 2 column we are going to take the total, debit and credit total of the laser, and 2 column we are going to take the balance. That balance will come by the taking the balancing of laser, and utilize that method. By utilizing of that method, we are going to take the debit or credit, and by that total, if total will come equal, then okay. Otherwise, if capital is not given, to transfer in capital. Otherwise, this difference amount we are going to transfer in suspense account. Okay, beta? Clear? Both laser and trial balance. Okay. Thank you.